Welcome to today's tutorial. In our tutorial today, we are going to look at a question that is coming from functions. And the question reads, the functions f and g are defined by f of x being equal to 3x minus 4 and g of x being equal to x plus 1 over 3. So the first question there, we are told that find the inverse of f. So when we are told to find the inverse of f, the first thing that we can do there is to let f of x being equal to y. So that means that y is going to be equal to 3x minus 4. Therefore, at this stage, we are going to make x the subject of the formula. Okay, so when you're making x a subject to the formula, this -4 here is going to cross the equal sign. Now take note, whenever a number crosses the equal sign, the sign of operation changes. If it was a negative, it's going to be a positive, and if it was a positive, it's going to be a negative. So we're going to have y plus 4 being equal to 3x. Okay, since we're interested in the x, here we're going to divide both sides by what? By 3, so that we can remain with the x. So it will be y plus 4 being equal to 3x. Then you divide by 3, so that we remain with the x. Therefore, we can say x is equal to y plus 4 over 3, like this. Now, at this stage, we're going to interchange the variables, meaning where there is x, you're going to put y, and where there's y, you're going to put x. So we shall say y is equal to x plus 4 over 3. So therefore, we can summarize by saying the inverse of f of x is equal to x plus 4 over 3, like this. Okay, we are done with the A part. We can now go to B. B is saying find g of f. Okay, so when we are given such a question, how do we work it out? So the question is saying g of fx. Okay, so this is basically telling us that we're going to get the function for f. You place it in the function for g, but where exactly? Where there is x. So we're going to say this is equals to, where there is x there, we're going to put the function for f in g, then we'll say plus 1, okay, over 3, like that. As we can see there, that the function for g is g of x being equal to x plus 1 over 3. Now here where there is x, that's where we're going to place the function for f, okay, which is 3x minus 4. So in this case, if we were to go to our question there, we are saying that f, so g over fx is equal to fx plus 1 over 3. So here where there is fx, that's where we're going to put our function for f, which happens to be 3x minus 4. So we shall say g of x is equal to 3x minus 4, then we shall say plus 1 there, then over 3. So g of fx is equal to 3x, then negative 4 plus 1 there, that is negative 3 over 3. Now, as you can see here on top, we have got a 3 and a 3 there, which makes them to be common. So we are going to factorize the top part, where we shall say 3 there. You're going to remain with x minus 1 over 3. So since that is common, you can cancel the 3 there and the 3 there. Therefore, you are going to say that g of fx is equal to x minus what? Minus 1. Okay, we're done with the B part. Let's look at the C part of this question. What is it saying? It's saying g of f negative 3. Okay, what we are just from calculating on B, now where there's x, you have put a negative 3 there. So this means that g of f negative 3, this basically tells us that x is equal to negative 3. So you are going to substitute x being equal to negative 3 in the g of f x being equal to x minus what? Minus 1. Okay, so we shall shade g of f negative 3 will be equal to negative 3 minus 1. G of f negative 3 will be equal to negative 3 minus 1. We put them together and the sign does not change, giving us a negative 4 in this case. So g of f negative 3 is equal to negative 4.